Okay, here we go. Let's find out, how do you find out stuff to do on the weekend in Boston? Just find out things to do, events, concerts, games, what's going on. Here's what we like to do. We go to seatsforeveryone.com. There's links to get you to this at justusboston.com. And here's a very, very easy way to do that. It's going to geolocate. So you're right in Boston, you're in the Boston area, wherever you are. I'm here in Boston. Let's take a look. So go down, seatsforeveryone.com. You get to the home page, and there's some featured events. These are generally going to show you the more prominent events of what's happening right there. So on Tuesday night, Depeche Mode's at TD. That's a big one coming up. Jethro Tull is at MGM Music Hall on Saturday night, the 28th. So the big ones kind of pop up there. And then scroll down just a little bit more. This is on mobile too, same thing on your phone. And you'll see our trending near Boston. And it's going to show you a breakdown by concert, sports, and theater. So we'll start all the way over at theater. Let's look at theater. So Frozen, the Disney musical, that's at the Opera House. So you can find that. Blue Man Group. Elvis, up in Beverly. It looks like they got a musical going on up there. Elvis. Nikki Glazer at the Wilbur. So there's stuff coming up. You can scroll through there. Very easy to see. Oh, let's get back down here. We can click on sports. Sports tab. BU Hockey. Playing UMass. That's tonight, Friday night, the 27th. BC Hockey, they're playing Michigan State. Celts in the Heat tonight. Celts in the Heat at TD. Bruins and Red Wings tomorrow night. So let's say tonight you want to go to the Celts game. Celts playing the Heat tonight at TD at North Station. Click that button, buy tickets. You're going to come in here, check out the seating map, see what's available. You can click on any section to see what the view would look like, and then see what seats are available. Just click through and buy them. There's a guarantee tickets that are going to get to you there. I've never had anybody complain, serving thousands of customers over the years. So there you have it. Click right on there, find out what's going on this weekend, how to have fun on the weekend. Concert, sports, theater, all in Boston area. Very easy to find here on seatsforeveryone.com.